If you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few AirBnBs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. On this episode, I'm taking you into Aldi. They have got some Father's Day specials for those eager campers out there, and also you might want to check out some of these products, but they're pretty good and they're a really good price. So come in with me now, let's check out what Aldi's got for Father's Day, and I'll show you around. Alright, if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know I've done a few of these kind of episodes. This is definitely not as big of range as what they do when they have their camping catalogue out, but there are some good stuff here, so let's take a dive in and check it out. Okay, first we've got this camping chair. It looked really comfortable, probably a little bit too large for my liking, because we like to travel with only small chairs. But if you've got the luxury of a caravan or a trailer, you might want a chair that looks like this. Fantastic at $89.99. You can pause the video here if you want to check out how it looks inside. Now, if you live in Victoria, it is still been freezing. So if you need to get comfortable in a nice, cozy, large, super large sleeping bag, this would be a good one for you or your dad. Check it out. It's got plenty of room inside. It looks quite warm, and the price is pretty fantastic right on it for $49.99. Now, for all those dads out there who catch a fish and then it gets away, well, now they've got something to put that imaginary fish into. Check out this bag. It measures a fish. You can put ice in it, have your fish on ice, and you can empty out all the water from the end from here, which makes it super convenient. I didn't mind this for $49.99. I've just opened it up so you can look inside. It's not that wide, but you could definitely fit a big fish in this one. Another accessory you could give Dad to take on his next fishing trip, or even take to work if he eats a lot of lunch, is this little freezer bag. It's got a little side pocket to put your drink in, and a few little apartments, which I thought was good, for $34.99. Good price. For the dad that has everything, this would be a great gift. And if you are a camper and you don't have a first aid kit, well, it's time to go out there and get one. This had over 90 pieces in it. Plus it comes in a hard case, which I think is handy to keep everything safe, clean, and you could even use the top of the case to rest things on when you are attending to somebody who's been injured. So yeah, it seems like it's got quite a bit in there. If you want to pause and have a read of what's inside, you can, but otherwise, for the low price of $29.99, what a great present. Alright, I'm not going to pretend that I know anything about fishing, because I don't even know if this is a good rod, but to me, as an amateur, I think, hey, it's got everything you need to start off, so why not? If you want to give it a go, just make sure you do apply for your licenses. In different states, they have different rules. You can get them online in Melbourne, so make sure you get your license. You don't want to go getting a fine when you've just bought yourself a cheap rod at $89.99. Alright guys, well, I think that wraps this one up. Now, I know a lot of campers already have lanterns, but this looks like a really good one. It can recharge with a USB port. How good's that? Now, another thing is too, even though it is Father's Day, Christmas is just around the corner. These make great stocking fillers. So start thinking Christmas, guys, and hopefully I've got another one of these videos before Christmas coming out. But otherwise, I think what a great gift for Dad if he hasn't got one. Otherwise, great for a Christmas gift, $12.99. All right, you're starting to learn a lot about me, because I can tell you right now, I'm not a fisher and I'm not a hunter, but I'm pretty sure that's what you use these for. It's a spotlight, or, you know, if your kid wants to go out and do some spotting in the tree for a koala or something. But we're talking Father's Day, so yeah, if he's into fishing with a spotlight or hunting, maybe he'll want one of these. They charge up, everything holds in the back so it stays dry, like your cords to be able to charge it, and the price looks reasonable. I don't know what a good price is on these, but $29.99. Now, if you want to get your dad organised with his camping gear, these are great. You can put things like your pantry stuff in there. You can put hoses, cords. You could even put camp ovens in them. They just keep things neat and tidy. They're cheap. They're only $24.99. And yeah, you can get your dad sorted out and get him all organised. If you want to pause the little tags so you can have a read a bit more about them and what they're saying they're using them for, but pretty much you can use them for whatever you want camping. Now, there was a whole heap of double-walled bottles, so you can put your water in them, hot or cold. Normally these bottles will keep things hot for about 12 hours, 24 hours cold. So Adam and I use these all the time. We think they're great for $9.99. And then they have the coffee holders and the cups as well. So nice little gift for Dad. This one I was a little bit excited about. You get the pot, a kettle and a fry pan, 3-piece set. The handles fold away. You get this neat little bag to put everything in. So I thought this was a great gift idea, especially if your dad wants compact. If you're traveling light, this is a great idea and a great price too. All right, now this one's definitely for the ooh la la dads, the ones that like their comfort. This will get them off the ground next time they go camping. Look, it wasn't one of the cheaper items they had at Aldi at $129, but do you love your dad? Yeah, so this was good. It's got some specs there if you want to have a read or pause and have a read of that. But it looks really nice. It gets you off the ground. It looks really comfy. It looks really springy. So let me know if you get one of these, because I'd love to know what it's like. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm showing you these mats. These are great for traveling. If you've all got pots and pans already and you don't want to scratch up and they're sitting inside each other, these are a great way to separate them and keep things from getting scratched. And guys, on the way out of the store, don't forget to pick your dad up a Father's Day card. They actually had those there too. So I think they've thought about everything this year. Now, this is not a paid advertisement. I know you probably think that, but no, I just like to keep you guys up to date what's out there when it comes to camping gear. Now, before we leave this episode, remember we do have our merch. Get something for Dad from King Dano's Adventures. Now, unfortunately, it probably won't get to you. If you order right away today, you might get lucky, but otherwise it'll come in after Father's Day, probably the week after. But yeah, we have plenty on there. Hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, Twyla cushions, tea towels, you name it, we've got it. So check it out now. We'll put the links below. Otherwise, scan the QR code and you can order some of our merch now. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. We just want to say a big happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hopefully we haven't spoiled anyone's surprises by showing this stuff here. But anyway, get into Aldi. This is literally all this stuff will be gone in a week's time, I can imagine. So get into Aldi quick if you want this stuff. We still have our midweek episode this Wednesday at 7 p.m. Hope you can join us. We've got something a little bit exciting, something a bit different. And of course, we've always got our Sunday episode at 5 p.m. And if you're new to the channel, you just found us, check out all of our other camping videos. We normally camp in our Ford Transit camper van. You can see all of them on our channel. So remember to like and subscribe. But until, well, this Sunday at 5 p.m. and Wednesday at 7 p.m, we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.